Welcome to the fourth video in this Cat Bite-sized series on misleadingness. While the ASA tackles ads that are harmful or offensive, most of the ASA's work, roughly 70%, is about tackling misleading advertising claims. In this video, we're going to cover some top tips to help you avoid misleading claims when it comes to your ads for non-surgical cosmetic treatments. Number 1. Don't mislead or exaggerate how effective the treatment will be. It's important to give the correct impression about how effective your treatment will be. Make sure that any claims, whether that's written, visual, or implied, are representative of what will be achieved on the average customer. 2. Be transparent about who will be administering the treatment, their qualifications, and where it will take place. In other words, don't exaggerate the skills, qualifications, or experience of the practitioner. That means you can't claim or imply that the person administering the treatment is a medical professional or regulated by a professional body if that's not the case. If you're referencing the qualifications of the person administering treatments, you must hold evidence of these qualifications. And don't imply that the treatment or procedure will take place in a regulated clinical environment if it's not. 3. Make sure your pricing is clear. Nothing annoys customers more than hidden charges. Make sure the prices listed relate to the treatments advertised and include all non-optional charges like a booking fee or deposit. If the cost of the treatment depends on the outcome of a consultation, be upfront about how the cost is worked out. 4. Keep an eye on your testimonials. If you're using customers' reviews to promote your services, they must relate to the treatment advertised. You must hold evidence to prove that a review or testimonial is real. If the testimonial includes claims that are factual, like, "I lost 6 inches of belly fat with this treatment," make sure those claims aren't misleading. Those are just a few of the key things you should keep in mind. And remember, it's always worth taking a step back and looking at all your ads through the eyes of the potential customer. Stay tuned, as in the next video, we'll be covering the specific advertising rules that apply to Botox and other prescription-only equivalents.